Hello guys, thanks for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support this video. Thank you.
Is fine. There are two sides to it. He has a
Saying
point,
is
and
he just woke up in the morning and just yeah, he was on his bed and I was watching. He just woke up and that thought just came, which you could
let's
have thought
talk
about
about
later.
fine.
Wire Teens Music.
Boy, then when you're checking for the quotes,
Okay.
as we were talking about music. So you saw the clip of this guy.
Of this guy that's selling mask for £200 now. Wait, Mike.
He's selling masks for 200.
He has one mask. I don't think it's for him, but he's just trying to push it for the company. £200 one mask with a country's flag built in it. Yeah.
In UK there, or he wants to
Any country they'll ship it for you. That's what he said. I saw it. I'm like, and somebody asked him, "You know, this mask are disposable, right? You know, you should dispose them. So what's the point buying them for 200?"
You think that you think he knows that the masks are disposable?
He replied like, "Wow, I never knew." Yeah,
Maybe he thought they will watch the mask.
yeah.
Well, it will be as if I'm just hating on the guy, but me, I just.
But what do I think
I
of
just
what
don't
what
know
what,
it.
what do I think
I
about
agree with
what do I think of what he said? I think it's one side. It's one side. I don't agree with him.
Say for the past 3 weeks, I've called a couple friends, but I didn't know how it would get to you and Bado, so I didn't want to say it. Fireboy, right now you are arguably one of the most talented Nigerians out there. No doubt, you have one of the biggest albums out of Nigeria right now, brother. But brother, I don't know what you look like. Look at this video. See, I don't even know who shoots your video. They don't show me your face, bro. Your songs are doing better than your face. Your face should match your songs, bro. When I was in Nigeria, I couldn't stop. I was like, who is this guy? Who is this guy? Till now, I can't say this is what Fireboy looks like, oh, because I don't know. You and like 5 other guys in that industry have the same hair. I don't know yours that time. Don't they not die anywhere? But me, I'm different. Oh. Find a way, bro. I need to differentiate you from these other boys. Your talent is unique. You are great. I just need to know what you look like, bro. Take pictures. Let your cameraman show your.
That's why I see
Okay,
it's
what me I just don't really. The thing is, fine. There are two sides to it. He has a point,
Yeah.
and he has no point also. So let's just say 50-50. So should we go with the positive or negative? Okay, first let me go with let's bad news first before good news.
Yeah.
So the part I don't really like, I'm seeing like he first of all said that he tried to contact him, that he wanted to tell him or something. That sounds somehow to me like, okay, so because you couldn't contact him now,
Yeah.
you now came online to bash him, because whether we like it or not, it might be his observation, but it also is also kind of like a bashing. Yeah. So that's one. And me, I always feel like the guy.
You tried to contact him. Okay.
Yeah, he made in that video. He said, I was thinking something. I tried to contact you, talk to Olamide or no. I don't understand. The guy. That's how the guys. That's what he said. I mean, I always feel like the guy likes clouting celebrities, just like the Burna Boy situation.
Yeah.
You get, like, he was supporting Burna Boy, maybe just to maybe met him once, and he was saying he was saying that he wanted Burna Boy to win the award because to shame the haters,
Yeah.
and that's wrong. That is just clouting, because before Burna Boy lost the award, everybody was behind him.
Yeah.
All this stuff happened when he made that statement after the award. So that made all the statement false. So now I feel like the guy likes.
So you think it's personal? He's trying to contact, but
it's in the
Fireboy.
video. He said that I tried to contact you, blah blah blah. So now let's leave that one again. So to the constructive criticism part.
Yeah.
He said the video was not showing his face and all that, blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
Fine, yeah. video. Some artists prefer their videos like that. There are a lot of artists that don't even want to show on the screen. You get for a very, very long time. Like I always argued with myself that I want to know Tracy Chapman. Finally one day I saw a video of Tracy Chapman performing a song on YouTube. I was like, even to now, I won't lie, I still don't know if she's a man or a woman.
Tracy Chapman, fast cars.
I swear, because
Come on,
I was
Tracy gave it up.
So fine, let's
maybe you're calling her Chapman Tracy.
Fine, let's even now take that away. What he's trying to say, he said like Fireboy's music is more popular than his face.
Yeah.
There have been an artist that there was a kind of criticism like that before in Nigeria. I think that was Runtown. There was a time people were saying that Runtown songs are more popular than him. That is always, then Runtown doesn't release an album. He's always just releasing one track and it will be very popular.
Yeah. Fireboy has videos now. Yeah, I don't think what he's saying. I think what he's saying is he just woke up in the morning and just he was on his bed and I was watching. He just woke up and that thought just came, which he could have thought about it again, but he just gave out that his first impression. He was thinking outside. He was thinking in public.
But he said that what he said there is true.
What is true about that?
Yeah, that right now, that a lot of people might not know Fireboy to an extent which they are, maybe like he feels that they're supposed to know him. But the question now is Fireboy an A-list celebrity in Nigeria? Remember, beginning of this year, we did an episode of the artist
that's likely to eat it big this year.
Yeah. So Fireboy right now is not at the level of Wizkid. He's not a super celebrity. Right now, I can 100% tell you that I can show Fireboy picture to maybe elderly people, maybe my mom and all. They won't know who he is.
I don't even think.
But you can show Wizkid to my mom, elderly people, Davido, they know. Right now, Naira Marley stepped to that plate too.
Yeah.
Last year, 2 years ago, even when Naira Marley sang that Nations Cup song, it's a go. All those times, a lot of people didn't really even know Naira Marley.
But you know what? The problem again.
But he's still an upcoming artist. That's just my own opinion. He's still an upcoming artist.
What I see that is wrong with this chain of thought is music these days. Olamide's music, even Fireboy, they're not based on they're not making their money or they're not focusing on TV play. It's YouTube, social media. And on Fireboy's Instagram and everywhere, he's been showing his face. Yeah, so what's the point that people are not seeing his face?
That's what
people know him now.
If you want to see Fireboy's face, go to his Instagram page. But I'm trying to even think out of the box and logical about it. When people were saying the same thing about Runtown, think about it too. When people were saying it about Runtown there too, he already had big songs. But whether I liked it or not, that time it was still an upcoming.
Yeah.
Runtown's first song that blew was because of Davido. Galado. Then after that time, he started like having some other songs. You get?
Yeah.
Till he became an household name. You get?
Yeah.
Right now, many people say they don't know Runtown.
Haters.
When did Fireboy come out? They say haters. Fireboy, okay, now, how you know that he's still an upcoming? Fireboy's Jealous song was the outro of that Olamide's Woske. Everybody was like, who sang that song? Olamide did it very, very well. People were asking, want to know that song. And they said, it's one Fireboy that sang it. So this guy is an upcoming artist. You get? You can't compare, even you can't compare him to Zlatan. Maybe 2 years ago, Zlatan he don't pay for the game. Some of Zlatan's songs. How many awards that Fireboy even won in Nigeria? So this guy is an upcoming artist. He's not yet an household name. Yeah. Fine, he's popular. You get?
Yeah.
It's just the same thing. We don't even need to be saying all these things. We already did it in first episode.
So
Like,
let's move on then.
so we already did it. People that are likely to be big.
Yeah.
We already said it. Fireboy, Joe Boy, and Rema. Yeah.
Remember, yeah. Okay, so let's conclude it with saying that oh, you might have problem with guys with dread.
My guy is just looking for content. Just he likes content. But that's his way.
So what's next?